Hey everybody, let us take a look at the Cocoa Daisy Wisteria Kits that I received. First, I'm going to share with you. These are the items that I purchased with my own money first. Look how pretty that is. I am a big fan of purple. I love purple, and I don't find myself using it very much in my paper crafting, but I really like it. I did not buy a lot of extras this month because I knew it would be a super busy month for me, and I knew that there wouldn't be a lot of time for me to get to using the items. So I just bought the things that I couldn't live without, which included this really cute little notepad. I just really like it a lot. I thought that it was very useful. I also picked up the Washi Trio, and I absolutely love it. If you look on the website, you can see it. Unfortunately, it's sold out, but it has this purple plaid, some splatters, and the floral. Let me see if I can open it up and share it with you. It's possible that I won't be able to find the end of the washi, which sometimes happens, and obviously I can find it when I'm crafting, but when I'm feeling the pressure of finding it quickly, I often choke. Okay, here we go. So I thought this was so pretty. User error, not the error of the product. Purple plaid, I had to have it. I thought it was super cute. And then the other that I had to have was this splatter washi. Now, I do not receive the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit because I purchase the stamps every month from my friend Rachel. But I loved this washi, so I purchased the trio for this washi and for the purple plaid because I thought it was so pretty. Okay, so it is these like watercolor ink splatters. Hopefully you can see how gorgeous it is. It's obviously, I shouldn't say obviously because I don't know that it's obvious, but it's a rainbow of them. How cute is that? I love it. Love, love, love it. And then the floral washi is really pretty too. It is the same artwork from the kit. And it is super cute as well. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not going to pull it off because it's the same wisteria and lemons from the artwork in the kit, and you'll see that. The other two washis that I shared were not similar to the rest of the kit. I also purchased the Daisy add-on sticker kit because I can never get enough decorative stickers. I find that they really enhance all of my projects, especially my planning and my memory planning. So we've got a couple of really cute quotes. We've got some washi strips. This is actually a really great, that's like the washi tape that I did not open up for you right there. Super cute. I'm also in love with this pattern too. Okay, so there's some of the wisteria and a few of the lemons. These are so stinking cute. Alphabet stickers, which I always really love, and then we're back to the quotes that we already looked at. So just a really good usable set of 4 sheets of stickers that I am a big fan of. Okay, so now these are the kits that I received as a design team member, and I love them. I really, really love them. So this is definitely not me just saying that, and I think once you see the kits, you'll completely get it, why I really like them so much. So, okay, so there's these teeny tiny little clips in there. Can you see those? I think it'll be really fun to layer things together and then use the clips to look like it's holding the layers together. These are some navy blue alphabet die cuts. Then we have decorative die cuts, and remember the Cocoa Daisy ones already have adhesive on the back, So that makes them really cool. I'm just gonna pull out a couple so you can see them, like Today's Adventure, some word strips, cornflowers, some little arrows. So they're really pretty. And again, they hint on that sort of rainbow color scheme, but still heavily leaning into the purples and blues. Look how pretty that is. Do you see those? They're gorgeous. Okay, these are the stamps that came in the kit this month. Adorable, right? Okay, here are the 4x6 cards. I may or may not be able to get that off. Okay, I love the colors on this. I don't know why, because obviously they're just yellow and light blue, but together they're so pretty. The back side has the days of the week and the numbers. Lemons, July 2021. This is just a really faint gray grid. And then the back has those boxes. Cute, right? Okay, now let's do the 3x4s. This is my favorite part every month. I just really, really love how there are some beautiful patterns and then modern, really modern artwork on here too. So this one's cute because you could put a photo here or you can just use it as a filler card. This is like that washi that I had to have. And then the wisteria. This was so very yum. I love it. So cute. You could totally have a picture there. How fun. So either of food or like, oh, a cookout or a restaurant or something. I'm obsessed with this. If you follow me on Instagram, I share my stories all the time, my backyard pool, and I am genuinely obsessed with it. So, oh my gosh, how will I choose which side? I love this. Oh, lazy, hazy, crazy days of summer. Seriously, I need another set of these cards. Okay, that says I was made for sunny days. Like, I'm gonna have to use a selfie in there because that's the story of my life. But again, I don't know how I will choose which side to use. The little lemon on the July, so cute. Photo of the day. I love this pink, it's so pretty. And that says collect beautiful moments. There is no right time, there is just time and what you choose to do with it. Remember this moment. And then the rainbow polka dots. And then the polka dots, you're never gonna be able to see this detail up close, but it's just got a really fun little pattern on it. Noted, I love that font. And then the back is just like a cross-hatched diamond pattern. Up for review. And then I love this, so pretty. There's dots in there too, can you see that? So pretty. So I just love it because maybe this isn't your speed. Okay, well then you've got a cool filler card that you can either leave it as it is or embellish it. This is my favorite. There's a piece of patterned paper coming up like this and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Really, honestly, I haven't seen a card yet that I'm like, I don't think I'll use it. Like every single one is basically my favorite and I feel really stupid saying, oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, I love it. But I genuinely really like it. So first of all, these blue stripes are gorgeous. And then that highlights in rainbow colors, it's absolutely perfect. And this is so cute. So yeah, I don't know how, I'm gonna have to try to stock some more of those because I love them so much. These are foam, which are always my favorite dimensional sticker because you don't have any issues with the adhesive for whatever reason. They always stick and I love that. So these are the chipboard stickers. Cute, great colors, very usable. Alphas. This is kind of a grayish, purplish, so it's not gray, it's not purple. Okay, now these are the patterned papers. So you get 2 of each. Here is one side. Cute, right? Then you turn them over cute. Now here is that one that I was telling you about. I love it. It's got like little scripty of the names of the paint. So cute. And then of course there is some white cardstock included, and then also instructions how to create this project that Christine is sharing with you. I love it. I think that's such a cool idea. Okay, I also receive a simple dory. I use these for memory keeping, and I'm kind of thinking that like this will be summer memories. So remember, there is a craft outside to sort of protect it. Then this is the cover. Love it. Here is that polka dots. Maybe you can see the pattern on there a little bit better. It's so pretty. The lemons. I love that it varies from page to page what you're going to get. That's that plaid. The watercolor lemons, so pretty. Okay, there's that pattern that I'm obsessed with. And I also love that there's some really unique patterns and then some really normal basic patterns as well. So like you're not overwhelmed with just tons and tons of specialty patterns. Isn't that cool? I love it. And then plain, and then the back cover again. So I think that's really good. All right, so now I also received the Classic Planner Sticker Kit. The way that I memory plan is different than most people, and so I need the planner stickers as well because of the way that I do it. So like I said, it's different than most people. So you have some really pretty quotes and some clear tape strips. And so the lemons and then like the wisteria pattern. Okay, so you have your full boxes and then some smaller boxes for writing. Same thing on this one, but different patterns. So pretty. Now I do think that most of the kits are sold out, but I do believe there's still some of the sticker kits at the time of filming. So pretty, am I right? I love it. The colors are just absolutely spectacular as far as I'm concerned. So that is the Classic Planner Sticker Kit, and the stickers are sized to fit in like a classic happy planner. And then this is the Memory Keeping Sticker Kit. Okay, it does come with these little stickers also. I'm just not going to pull those out and show them to you because it's just very small. And like I said, it's for memory keeping. Obviously, you could use these in a regular planner. They're sized to be like a big happy planner. Okay, so some more clear sticker paper with quotes. Full boxes and then some boxes and some strips, which you guys know I love. There's my favorite. So pretty, right? I'm very, very excited to use this kit. How pretty is that? And look at that little squeeze the day. And then these are probably my favorite alphas yet. I love the light gray and then with the very faint black outline. So yeah, so that is the memory keeping sticker kit. And then the last kit that I have for you is the classified memory keeping edition. And like I said, most of these kits are all sold out. There are still some sticker kits. So if you're seeing stuff that you're like, oh my God, this is so fun, make sure you're subscribed to that kit because these are selling out so much recently that there's really not much of a way to get them unless you're a subscriber. So this beautiful ribbon, I love how it's already pleated and sewn. This is something I used to do a lot by hand in my scrapbooking, so I'm excited to see that right here. I'm going to put the tags at the back because I will pull those out in just a second. So there's a little sheet of strip stickers, which I always use. I love them in conjunction with the photos. some rub-ons that look like stitches. I love it, so cool. The great, really super basic alphabet stickers. I hope that you can see that color. They're just the really plain font, which I love the most. And then there are some patterned paper. So this is so pretty, right? Then you open it up and it's got this plain purple modern pattern. I love the polka dots. And remember we showed that texture in the circles. And then look at this. Ah, so gorgeous. And then so pretty, right? I love it. Just the colors are exquisite. All right, and then we have the big tags this month. These are always so much fun to use. So Sunshine All Day Long, the leaves, and then July Stories Documented. So yeah, that is it. These are the Cocoa Daisy Wisteria Lane kits. I will link everything up below, but like I said already, most of it's sold out. So if you're thinking, oh my gosh, that kit's really made for me, make sure you subscribe. And I have some links for you down below that you can use. And if you have any questions, please ask. I would be more than happy to help. Thanks so much, guys, and make it a great day.